Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video. I just wanted to build on the trigonometry finding an angle. I only did one example in the previous video, so I was just going to do another example of how to find the angle in a right angled triangle using trigonometry. So let's start off with this triangle and let's have a side of 5 centimeters and 17 centimeters, and we want to find out what this angle here is. So the first thing we have to do is label up the sides: opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. So this is the hypotenuse, so that's the H. This is opposite the angle, so that's the O, and this is next to, so that's adjacent. Then we have to write down SOHCAHTOA. And then we need to write down what we have got and what we want. So we have got the opposite, we have also got the adjacent, and in this case we want an angle, which means the S, the C and the T, because that's going to be stored on our calculator. So tick off what we have got. We have got the opposite here and here. We've got the adjacent here and here, and the only triplet that has all three of them in is the tan ratio, so we're going to circle that and bring that down here and use the tan ratio. So our triangle TOA looks like this, and again we are going to, so this is an O, we are going to cover up the thing that we want, and in this case we want the tan of the angle, because then we're going to ask our calculator what angle that refers to. So cover this up, so tan is equal to opposite over adjacent, so opposite divided by adjacent, and then as I showed you in the previous video, you can either plug that into your calculator with the values, or you can just go straight to the shift tan, which gives you tan to the -1, and then put the values in. Either way, you need to write down the numbers you're substituting in, because that will show that you know what you're talking about. So the opposite is 17 and the adjacent is 5. So I'm going to do shift tan, which is tan to the -1, 17 over 5, and then press my equals button. So if I look at it on here, okay, so shift tan, which gives me tan to the -1, my fraction button, 17 on the top, come down to the bottom, 5 on the bottom, come out of it and close the bracket, tan to the -1, 17 over 5, press the equal sign, and that tells me that it is 73.6 degrees. The other way I could have done it is I could have done 17 over 5, if you just have a look at this, and then use the answer button, so tan to the -1 of the answer. So do 17 over 5, see what that is, it is 3.4, okay, and then shift tan answer equals same value, 73.6. And of course, I've done this example using tan, and the previous video showed us using sine. Of course, it will also work with cos if you need to do that. You just need to do shift and tan, and that will give you the tan to the -1. Okay, thank you for watching.